Dear students, welcome to the today's online session. So, yesterday we learned about what the formulae of length of the tangent, length of the normal, and length of the subtangent and subnormal. So, I am going to make some small changes to grab the formula in easy method. So this type of change I am going to make to the yesterday's formula. So how will it will changes? Okay, look at here. So what is our curve? Y is equals to f of x is our curve. Okay, now what is our yesterday's point? P of a comma f of a. This is the point we had confirmed that this is the point. At this point we are drawing that all the tangents and normal lines, okay, to the curve. So what is the change I am making here? If this point is be like this, means it is what the point is in the form of what? General form. What is the general form? P of x comma y. If suppose the point is in the form of what? General form, that is what now? P of x comma y. Means what? In place of a we have x, in place of f of a we have what now? Y. So that corresponding to this point change, how the formula will changes, we will check up once again. So means what it is? F of a, we have a term that f of a in our formula. Okay, so in place of f of a, what we would get? In place of a, what we have? X. F of a means it is what now? F of x. What is f of x? Y. So in place of f of a we can substitute there what? Y. And we have f dash of a in the formula. So in place of a I had substituted what now? X. F dash of x. F dash of x means it is what now? Derivative of y, dy by dx. So the derivative is also shown in the form of what now? Y dash. I am representing it as what now? Y dash. So that means f dash of a is going to replace it with y dash. F of a is replaced with y. F dash of a is replacing with what now? Y dash. Whereas what is y dash? Y dash is what now? Dy by dx. Dy by dx means what it is? Slope of the tangent. What is that? Slope of the tangent. So slope of the tangent is indicated with what now? M at P. So in geometrically the slope of the tangent is indicated by what now? Tan theta. Okay, so which is the slope of the tangent to the given curve. So these two changes are made to the yesterday's formula. Okay, so in place of f of a I am going to substitute what? Y. In place of f dash of a I am going to substitute what now? Y dash. Whereas the point is in general, means what it is? The point is in general means it is what? Now I am taking the point it as what now? P of x comma y. Let us observe the formula how they will changes. Now the first formula. What is our first formula? Length of the tangent. What we got yesterday? F of a into under root of 1 plus f dash of a by f dash of a. So that now whenever the point is in the form of P of x comma y, the formula is changes as to, in place of f of a, as we discussed, I am going to substitute what now? Y into under root of 1 plus f dash of a means it is what now? Y dash I am going to substitute. It is what now? So here we would get what? A whole square, f dash of a whole square, whereas in the formula yesterday we got. So now it is what now? Y dash square by f dash of a means it is what now? Y dash. So this is the formula of what now? Length of the tangent whereas the point p of x comma y to this curve, the length of the tangent formula is what now? Y into under root of 1 plus y dash square by y dash. So it is easy to write and easy to kept in your mind. Okay. Now second one, as the similar, the length of the normal means it is what? In place of a, f of a is, it is what now? Y into under root of 1 plus, it is what now? Y dash whole square. Simple. Okay. The length of the normal is what now? Whenever the point is p of x comma y to the curve f y is equals to f of x, what is that point? What is the formula for the length of the normal? Y into under root of 1 plus y dash square. Now about the length of the subtangent is what now? F of a means it is what now? Y by what is now? Y dash. So y by y dash is what now? Length of the subtangent. What is for length of the subnormal? It is what? Y into y dash. It is for what? Length of the what? Length of the subnormal. Whereas the point is in general form. It is in the form of p of x comma y. These are the changes made to the yesterday's formula. So since because of all are these are the lengths, so each and every we have to take it as in a positive only. Okay. Let us observe the first problem, that find the length of the subtangent and subnormal to the curve. What is the curve he had given? Y is equals to b sin x by a at any point, he said. So that at any point means what it is? We are going to take it as a general point as we discussed earlier. Okay. Now in the solution, the given function is, what is the function here given? Y is equals to b sin x by a he had given. Okay. Now let p of x comma y be any point on the given curve. Okay. Now he is asking to find out about what? Length of the subtangent and length of the subnormal. So let us, we are going to find now length of the subtangent now. Then the length of the subtangent to the given curve is, let us I am saying it is what now? Capital A. What is our formula? Length of the subtangent mod y by y dash. This is the formula for what now? Length of the subtangent. So we have y. Okay, are you following now? So this is what now? Y. It is in the form of what? F of x. So we have to find out what now? Y dash. Y dash means it is what? Derivative of y. So we are going to find first what now? Y dash value. So this is the equation number 1. Now derivating the given function with respect to x on both sides, we get, so y derivative is what now? Dy by dx. So b is the constant term. So sine of x by a. So function is as same as sine x. Sine x derivative is what now? Cos. In place of x, what we have? X by a. So we have to derivate the term x by a. Okay. Now, so what we got? Dy by dx is equals to b into cos x by a. Here 1 by a is the constant term, kept it out, and we have to derivate the x. X derivative is what now? 1. So dy by dx is replaced with what now? Y dash. Okay, so b by a into cos of x by a. It is what now? Y dash. This is the equation number 2. So from one and 2, the length of the tangent capital A value is what now? Y. Y means what? The function b sin x by a is divided by y dash. What we got the y dash value? b by a into cos of x by a. Since it is a length, I am taking its mod. Okay. Now, what we are getting now? So this a goes upside, b will get cancel. So it is what now? A. Sin x by a by cos x by a means it is what now? Tan of x by a. So what is the length of the tangent is what now? Capital A is equals to a small a into tan of x by a. So this is what now? Length of the tangent. Sorry, it is length of the subtangent. Okay. Now, the length of the subnormal is, I am taking it as what now? B, capital B. So what is the formula of it? Y into y dash. I am taking this mod. Why? Because the length is always positive. Y into y dash it is. Okay. So now y means our function. What is our function? B into sine of x by a into y dash. Y dash means we got the value. What is our y dash? B by a into cos of x by a. Are you following? Now that implies b into b square. B square is taking out from this mod. So sine of x by a into cos of x by a. So here a is also there. So taking it out also. So b square by a into, so remains what? Sine of x by a into cos of x by a. So b square by, I am dividing it by 2 and multiply it by 2. Means what is? It is getting what? 2 into sine x by a into cos of x by a. So it is in the formula of what? 2 sin theta into cos theta. So what is our formula? 2 sin theta into cos theta is what now? Sin 2 theta. So means it is what b square by 2a into, it can be represented as sine 2 into, in place of theta what we have, x by a. Can you follow? So now what you got now? The length of the subnormal b is equals to b square by 2a mod sine of 2x by a. This is what now the length of the subnormal. Okay, what is our length of the subnormal? B square by 2a in mod sine 2x by a. Now one more important problem. Clearly observe the problem. Show that the square of the length of the subtangent at any point on the curve by square is equals to x plus a whole cube, where b is non-zero, varies with the length of the subnormal at that point. So means we are going to find the length of the subtangent and length of the subnormal, and he is asking to find what a square of the length of the subtangent. Means what it is, after finding the length of the subtangent we have to square it, and that value is varies with the subnormal length. We have to show that. So in the solution, the given function is, what is our given function? by square is equals to x plus a whole cube here given here, where b is what now, non-zero. That implies it can be written as y square is equals to x plus a whole cube by b. Okay, now we have to find the y dash value. Means what it is, dy by dx we need to find out. Okay, now derivating with respect to x on both side, what we get, it is what now, y square. Means what it is, 2y. In place of x what we have, y, so that I am derivating to y, dy by dx is equals to, so 1 by b is the constant term, kept it out. It is in the form of what now, x power n. X power n means it is what, 3 into x plus a whole power 3 minus 1, and again we have to derivate it to x plus a. Okay, so now, so it is what now, 2y into dy by dx is equals to, so 3 by b into x plus a, 3 minus 1 means it is what, 2. Derivative of x is what now, 1, and derivative of a is what, constant, means it is what, 0. So what I get, dy by dx value is, dy by dx is equals to 2y goes this side, 3 by 2by x plus a whole square. So dy by dx means what it is, y dash is equals to 3 by 2by into x plus a whole square. Now coming to the problem, he is asking to find out square of the length of the subtangent. Square of the length of the subtangent means what it is, length of the subtangent means what it is, mod y by y dash, y by y dash. This is what now, the length of the subtangent value. Its square means what it is, its whole square we have to find out. So that I mentioned it as what now? A square. So while I am solving this one, what I would get? Let us observe these things. So this is our function. What is our function? By square is equals to x plus a whole cube is our function. From this equation, I could get which value? Y square value. What is y square? Y square is equals to x plus a whole cube by b. When b comes this side, will divides the x plus a whole cube. Means what it is? Y square is equals to x plus a whole cube by b. Okay. Now and y dash we found it. What is the y dash value? We got 3 by 2by into x plus a whole square. We got it. Okay. Now by solving this, means what you get? Mod y square by y dash square. I am substituting these values from the here. So what is y square? Kept the y square as it is first. Okay. Y square. What is y dash square? Y dash square means what it is? This one means what it is? 3 by 2by into x plus a whole square. X plus a whole square. What? Okay. It's a square. It's a square. Denominator square. Means what I could get here? Y square by 9 by 4 b square y square into x plus a whole power 4. Are you following or not? So it is what now? Y dash. What I could get here? Y dash value is this one. It's a square. Means what it is? 3 square 9, 2 square 4, b square y square into x plus a whole power 4 I got now. So now what? This denominator 4b square y square goes in the numerator. Means what it is? 4b square y square is already there and into y square, means I could write it as y square whole square by 9 into x plus a whole power 4. Okay. Now I am going to substitute the value of y square value. What is our y square value? X plus a whole cube by b. Means what I could get here? 4b square. In place of y square I am going to write this value. Means what it is? X plus a whole cube by b. Again it's a square by 9 into x plus a whole power 4. Now clearly observe the simplification. 4b square into, it is what? X plus a whole cube square. Means what it is? 6 by b square by 9 into x plus a whole power 4 it is. Okay. So this b square cancels with this b square. Now remains what? Modulus of 4x plus a whole power 6 by 9x plus a whole power 4. Means what it is? What I could get? That implies modulus of 4 into this 4. So a power m by a power n. Means what it is? A power m minus n. Means what it is? A power 6 minus 4. Means what it is? 4 by 9 into x plus a whole power 6 minus 4. Therefore what I got now? The square of the length of the subtangent value a square is equals to modulus of 4 by 9 into x plus a whole square. This is the equation number 1. y dash is equals to 3 by 2by into x plus a whole square. From this I am going to get the value y comes this side, means y into y dash is equals to 3 by 2b into x plus a whole square. What is this? Y into y dash is what now? Our the length of the subnormal is what I am saying, it is what? B is equals to modulus of y into y dash. So y into y dash value what we observe here? B by 3b into x plus a whole square. That implies what I could get here? Capital B is equals to the length of the subnormal is modulus of 3 by 2b into x plus a whole square. This is the equation number 2. Now the equation number 1 is the length of the subnormal square, and the equation 2 is the length of the subnormal. We have to make some relation in between these two so that the square of the length of the subtangent will varies with length of the subnormal. Now what we have, the length square of the length of the subtangent value, what we got? 4 by 9 into x plus a whole square. I will modify this a square value like this. Let us observe 8b by 27 into 3 by 2b into x plus a whole square. Observe this step to this step now. Okay, so 2 8s are 2 4s are 8, means what it is? 2 cancels with this 4, means in the numerator you would get what? 4. Okay, so this b will cancel with this b, so there is no b here. 3 1s are 3 9s are, so 4 by 9 remains same, x plus a whole square. So I can write this a square like this. Are you follow? Why I am writing the a square value like this means it is what? Once you observe the value which is in the bracket, this is none other than what now? B. Are you following or not? Okay, so therefore a square is equals to 8b by 27 into, I can replace it what now? Capital B. Means what it is? A square means what it is? The square of the length of the subtangent is equals to 8b by 27 into the length of the subnormal. Therefore what we can give the conclusion? Therefore the square of the length of the subtangent varies with the length of subnormal. It implies what we can give the conclusion? A square is directly proportional to B. Now the third problem. At any point t on the curve x is equals to a into t plus sin t, comma y is equals to a into 1 minus cos t, find the length of tangent, normal, subtangent and subnormal. All the 4 values we are going to find this in the problem. Wherever the curve equation is like this, x is equals to in terms of t and y is equals to in terms of t, although we need to find out what now? Dy by dx. So the solution: the given function is x is equals to a into t plus sin t, and another one is what now, y is equals to a into 1 minus cos t. Now derivating the above function with respect to t on both sides. So means it is what I could get, dx by dt is equals to a into, a is constant, t derivative is what now, 1 plus sin t is what now, cos t. So dx by dt I got what now, a into 1 plus cos t. Now derivating this function with respect to t on both sides means what it is, dy by dt is equals to a into 1 derivative is what now, 0 minus of cos t derivative is what now, minus sin t. So means dy by dt is equals to a into minus of minus plus, what is the remaining term, sin t. Now I have to find what now, dy by dx means what, ratio in between these two means what it is, dy by dt by dx by dt, that is equals to dy by dt is what now, a sin t by, and dx by dt is what now, a into 1 plus cos t. Here trigonometrical formulas I am going to apply here. So a into sin t can be replaced with 2 into sin t by 2 into cos t by 2 by a into 1 plus cos t is equals to what, 2 cos square t by 2. This is the formula of 1 plus cos t, and this is the formula of sin t. So 2 gets cancelled, a gets cancelled, and 1 cos square cancels with cos t by 2. So remains what, sin t by 2 by cos t by 2. Therefore dy by dx, what I get, tan t by 2. So it is, I am replacing this as what now, y dash. Okay, now first I am finding what now, the length of the tangent line. I am guessing it as what now, capital X is equals to y into under root of y dash 1 plus y dash square by y dash. This is the formula to find out what now, length of the tangent line. Now observe the simplification carefully. So what is our y? Y is equals to what we have, a into 1 minus cos t we have, under root of 1 plus y dash is what now, tan t by 2 we have, its square means tan t by 2 whole square is divided by, again what, y dash means what it is, tan t by 2. Okay, are you follow? Now that is equals to mod 1 minus cos t means it is what now, 2 sin square t. So it is what now, cos t by 2 we have. Okay, so means it is what, 1 minus cos t by 2 means it is what, 2 sin square t by 2. So that is the formula of 1 minus cos t by 2. So means it is what, a into 2 sin square t by 2 under root of 1 plus tan t by 2 whole square means what it is, tan square t by 2 is divided by, I am writing it as sin t by 2 by cos t by 2. Are you follow? tan t by 2 is replaced with what? Sin t by 2 by cos t by 2. Here 1 sin t by 2 cancels with the square and cos t by 2 goes in the numerator. Means what it is? What I would get? 2a. 2a square cancels with this one. Means what it is? Remains what? Sin t by 2 into cos t by 2 goes upside, cos t by 2 into under root of 1 plus tan square theta is what now? Secant square theta, but in place of theta we have t by 2. Means what it is? Secant square t by 2 it is. Okay, so now it is replaced as like this, x into 2x into sin t by 2 into cos t by 2 into what now? Square cancels with this root. Means what it is? Sec t by 2. So this sec t by 2 is cancels with this cos t by 2. Remains what? The length of the tangent capital X is equals what I could get? 2x sin t by 2. This is what now? Length of the tangent to the given curve. Sorry, it is not x, it is what now? A. Are you follow? So this is what now? A. So means the length of the tangent to the given curve is what? Mod 2a into sin t by 2. Now the second one is what now? The length of the normal. What is our formula? Mod y into under root of 1 plus y dash square. Means it is what? Mod of what is our y? A into 1 minus cos t by 2. Sorry, it is what? A into 1 minus cos t into under root of 1 plus what is our y dash? Tan t by 2 its square. Okay, so now mod a into 1 minus cos t is what now? 2 sin square t by 2 into under root, as we previously done, 1 plus tan square t by 2, that is equals to 2a into sin square t by 2 into under root of what is it? 1 plus tan square t by 2 secant square t by 2. So that is equals to mod 2a into sin t by 2 into, I am writing it as what? Sin t by 2. Sin square t by 2 I am splitting it as what? Sin t by 2 into sin t by 2, and this is what now? Sec t by 2. So that is equals to mod 2a sin t by 2 into sin t by 2 into, it can be written as what now? 1 by cos t by 2. So means it is what? Mod 2a this sin t by 2 by cos t by 2 is what now? Tan t by 2. So I am naming it as what? Capital Y. The length of the subnormal, I am naming it as what? Capital Y. Therefore the length of the the length of the normal capital Y is equals to mod 2a sin t by 2 into tan t by 2. Now the third one, the length of the subtangent, I am naming it as what? Capital A, that is equals to mod y by y dash. Means it is what? What is our y? A into 1 minus cos t by y dash is what now? Tan t by 2, that is equals to mod a into what is it? 2 sin square t by 2 by, so tan t by 2 can be expressed in the form of sin t by 2 by cos t by 2. So now this sin t by 2 cancels with this square and cos t by 2 goes in the numerator. So what I would get, mod 2a sin t by 2 into cos t by 2. So that is equals to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Sin 2 theta means a into sin 2, in place of theta what we have, t by 2. So the length of the subtangent capital A is equals to mod a into sin t we got. Now the last one, the length of the subnormal b is equals to mod y into y dash. So here what is our y? A into 1 minus cos t into y dash is what now? Tan t by 2. Okay, that is equals to same a into 1 minus cos t is what? 2 sin square t by 2 into tan t by 2. Therefore the length of the subnormal capital B is equals to mod 2a sin square t by 2 into tan t by 2. So this is capital B. Now one more problem. Find the length of the normal and subnormal at a point on the curve y is equals to a by 2 into e power x by a plus e power minus x by a he had given. So we have to solve it. And observe the given function. It is related to which function? Hyperbolic function, isn't it or not? So now the solution, the given function is, what is the given function? Y is equals to a into, I am writing like this, e power x by a plus e power minus x by a by 2. So it is which hyperbolic function? It is cos of h theta, means what it is, in place of theta what we have, x by a. So this term is what now? Cos of h x by a. So our function is what now? A into cos h of x by a. Okay, so this is our function now. Although we need to find out what? Length of the normal and subnormal. So we have to find first what now? Derivative, dy by dx we have to find. Okay, so now derivating with respect to x on both side, derivating with respect to x on both side, what I would get? A into cos hx derivative is what now? Sin hx. So in place of x what we have? X by a. So means cos h x by a's derivative is what now? Sin h x by a. Again you have to derive the function d by dx of what now? X by a. So now what you are getting it? A into sin h x by a into derivative of x is what? 1, a is constant. So 1 by a kept it out. X derivative is what now? 1. Means what it is? So in place of dy by dx I am going to write it as what? Y dash is equals to a cancels. Okay, so remains what? Sin of h into x by a is our y dash. Now first I am finding the length of the subnormal of the given function. But I am going to indicate it as what? B is equals to, what is the formula for it? y into y dash. Okay, so what is our y? What is our y? A into cos of h into x by a, it is our y, into what is our y dash? Sin of h into x by a. So it is our b, length of the subnormal. What we got? Modulus of a into cos h x by a into sin of h into x by a. Now the length of the normal is, I am representing it as y. What is the formula we have? Y into modulus of y into under root of 1 plus y dash square. It is the formula for our length of the normal. So now what is our y? A into cos of h x by a into under root of 1 plus what is our y dash? Sin h x by a whole square. Okay, so now what I would get here? Mod a into cos h of x by a into under root of what is it? 1 plus sin h square x by a. You follow? So now mod a into cos h of x by a into what is it? 1 plus sin h square x by a is what? Under root of what is it? Cos h square x by a it is. Okay, now mod a into cos of h x by a into square root will gets cancelled, remains again cos h x by a. So means it is what? That is equals to what I got? A into cos h square x by a I got. What is it? The length of the normal to the given curve. What I got? Y is equals to mod a cos h square x by a.